In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a referral code on Cash App. Using a referral code on Cash App is an easy way to save money and earn bonuses. Here's a simple guide to help you through the process. After you go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download Cash App and installing it, and then creating or logging in with your account. After you do that, tap the profile icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Scroll down and find the Enter Referral Code option and tap on it. Enter the code and tap Submit. To activate the referral bonus, the new user must send at least $5 to another Cash App user. Once the $5 is sent, both the new user and the referrer will receive a $5 bonus. And that's it, guys. It's only available for new users only, and it has a time limit. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.